Hello, Lecture 2 by Ramanjan sir. It is the continuation of Lecture 1. We discussed already the problem 1 in Lecture 1. Even that problem 1 is also asked in 2018, whereas now problem 2 solve dx by dt minus 8y is equal to 0, comma dy by dt minus 2x is equal to 0. And this problem is asked in 2017. The solution for this is similar that of the problem 1. Right. Given equations dx minus 8y is equal to 0. That's second equation. Minus 2x plus dy is equal to 0. To solve these two equations, I can eliminate y term, so that multiply equation 1 by 8, equation 1. Multiply equation 1 by d. Implies d square x minus 8d y is equal to 0. Second equation, this is the second equation, multiply by 8. So that minus 16x plus 8 dy is equal to 0. To eliminate y, it has the opposite signs, so that add d square minus 16, x is common in both equations. For y terms, both will be cancelled, is equal to 0. Take this as equation 3. To solve this equation, as you know in lower classes, first we can write the AE for LHS. AE of 3 is m square minus 16 is equal to 0. So m is equal to plus or minus 4. So that the solution of the variable x is equal to c1 e power minus 4t, because different roots are there, c2 e to the power of 4t. This is the solution x. d square minus 16 of x is equal to 0 is the equation now. We can write the auxiliary equation of 3 is m square minus 16 is equal to 0. In place of d, write m, so that m square minus 16 is equal to 0. Implies m is equal to plus or minus 4. The two are be the real distinct roots, so that x is equal to, because x is equal to c1 e power minus 4t plus c2 e power 4t, because t is the independent variable. Put this value x in 1. So equation 1 is dx minus 8y is equal to 0. Implies 8y is equal to dx. Substitute x value. D of x value is c1 e power minus 4t plus c2 e power 4t. Differentiate c1 e power minus 4t into minus 4 plus c2 e power 4t into 4. Is equal to take minus 4 is common. C1 e power minus 4t minus C2 e power 4t implies y is equal to 1 by 8 into minus 4 into C1 e power minus 4t plus minus C2 e power 4t is equal to minus 1 by 2 into C1 e power minus 4t minus C2 e power 4t. Required solution. The two variables values x is equal to C1 e power minus 4t plus C2 e power 4t and y is equal to minus 1 by 2 into C1 e power minus 4t minus C2 e power 4t. So let us see the problem 3. In 3, first problem, solve for x. The equations are to be dx by dt is equal to 3x. Right. Third problem. In 3, first problem, solve for x. Dx by dt is equal to minus 3y, comma, dy by dt is equal to 3x. So this problem is asked in 2019. Solution is find out the value of the variable only x. So that given equations are to be dx plus 3y is equal to 0. Next 3x minus dy is equal to 0. This is equation 1 and equation 2. To find out the variable x, we can eliminate y is enough. So, to solve this equation by elimination method, y to be eliminated. So, first equation can be multiplied by d. So, 1 into d implies d square x plus 3 dy is equal to 0. Second equation, this is second equation, multiply by 3 is equal to 9 x square minus 3 dy is equal to 0. To eliminate y, we have the opposite signs are there, simply it is add. So that adding means these two terms are to be cancelled. Taking x is common, d square plus 9 of x is equal to 0. Take this is equation 3. The AE of 3 is m square plus 9 is equal to 0, implies m is equal to plus or minus 3i. So the roots are to be alpha plus or minus I beta, where alpha is equal to 0, comma beta is equal to 3. So imaginary roots. When the imaginary roots are there, the solution x is equal to e power alpha t into c1 cos beta t plus c2 sin beta t is equal to, as alpha is 0, so that c1 cos beta is 3t plus c2 sin 3t. So only x value they are asking, which is the required solution. Required solution, x is equal to. So in 3, the second problem, solve for x. It is asking in 2017. Solve for x. The equations are dx by dt plus y is equal to 0, comma second equation is dy by dt minus x is equal to 0. So given dx plus y is equal to 0, minus x plus dy is equal to 0. So here, to find x we can eliminate y. So that multiply equation 1 by d, this can be interchanged, implies d square x plus dy is equal to 0. Second equation by 1, because y coefficient is 1, implies second equation by 1, it is 2 into 1, implies minus x plus dy is equal to 0. Subtract. Subtract, because same signs are there, to eliminate y. It is now x is common, so that d square plus 1 of x is equal to 0. Take this as equation 3. The AE of 3 is m square plus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to plus or minus I. It is of alpha plus or minus I beta, imaginary roots. Alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 1. Therefore, required solution is x is equal to e power alpha t into c1 cos beta t plus c2 sin beta t is equal to, as alpha is 0, e power 0 is 1, so that the remaining is c1 cos t plus c2 sin t, as beta is 1. So third problem in 3. Third problem in 3. Solve for y. Dx by dt plus y is equal to 0, comma dy by dt plus x is equal to 0. This problem is asked in 2020. So in this problem, to find y value, eliminate x. So given dx plus y is equal to 0. Next, second equation, x plus dy is equal to 0. This is first equation and this is second equation. To eliminate x, to find y, multiply first equation into 1 implies dx plus y is equal to 0. Second equation can multiply by d. So the dx plus d square y is equal to 0. To eliminate x is subtract so plus dx minus dx cancel. 1 minus d square of y is equal to 0 implies d square minus 1 of y is equal to 0, as minus is common. Take this as equation 3. The AE of 3 is m square minus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to c1 e power minus t plus c2 e power t, which is the required solution. Required solution. Which is the required solution. Next, fourth problem. Solve three dx by dt minus 2y is equal to 0, comma 2 dy by dt minus 3x is equal to 0. So this problem is in 2018. Solution is to be to find x and y values given 3 dx minus 2y is equal to 0 minus 3x plus 2 dy is equal to 0. Right. To eliminate y first, I can multiply this equation by d and this equation by 1. So that 1 into d implies 3d square x minus 2 dy is equal to 0. Second equation by 1 implies minus 3x plus 2 dy is equal to 0. So add. These two terms cancel. Taking 3 is common and x is common. 3 into d square minus 1 of x is equal to 0 implies, take this as equation 3. Of course, or otherwise d square minus 1 of x is equal to 0 as equation 3. The AE of 3 is m square minus 1 is equal to 0, m is equal to plus or minus 1. So that the variable x is c1 e power minus t plus c2 e power t. X value is c1 e power minus t plus c2 e power t. Put x value in 1, put in 1, The one equation is 3dx minus 2y is equal to 0. Implies 2y is equal to 3dx is equal to 3d into x value is c1 e power minus t plus c2 e power t is equal to 3 into differentiation minus c1 e power minus t plus c2 e power t implies y is equal to 3 by 2 into minus c1 e power minus t plus c2 e power t. Required solution. Required solution. X is equal to c1 e power minus t plus c2 e power t and y is equal to 3 by 2 into minus c1 e power minus t plus c2 e power t is the required solution. So these are the few problems. The remaining we will see in next lecture. Thank you very much.